Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. It's Saturday sauce, so I'm going to quickly walk you through step by step how to make a delicious sweet topping sauce. It's a really nice breakfast or dessert sauce. So let me show you how to make a cherry port sauce. It's perfect for any normal occasion, however it's a true knockout for a holiday feast. Round up all of the ingredients in a saucepan. Add 2 cups or 327 grams of frozen cherries to the pan. If you'd like to use fresh cherries, go for it, just remove the seeds. Pour in 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters of water. Turn your burner up to medium heat. Snag your port. I'm using tawny port, 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters. For your convenience, I have a list of all of the ingredients used in this recipe in the description section below. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes with easy to follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce making process and improve your sauce making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. Back to the topping sauce, drop in that 1/4 cup of tawny port. Next, you'll add 1/2 cup or 110 grams of granulated white sugar. Mix the sugar in with a spoon or a spatula to help it dissolve into the sauce. To spice it all up, add 1 cinnamon stick and 1 star anise. This next ingredient, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of lemon juice, will really make all of the flavors just pop. To this, you'll add 1 tablespoon or 14 grams of unsalted butter. And finally, the last ingredient for this step of the process, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Bring this all to a simmer and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. While the sauce gently simmers, you can make your cornstarch slurry. Add 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters of water to 1 tablespoon or 8 grams of cornstarch. Give it a good stir and put it to the side for later. So check it out. After 8 minutes, this is what the sauce should look like. The spices, they've infused their flavor, so you can go ahead and take them out. The cherries, they're tender. A few of them have even popped, releasing flavor into the sauce. The liquid has reduced, concentrating the flavors. It's time for the final step of the sauce making process. You're going to add the cornstarch slurry. Giving the slurry a quick stir before you add it never hurts, and if you want to whisk while you drop it into the sauce, that's a good idea. Your burner, it's still over medium heat. Bring it back to a simmer until thick. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's how you make a cherry port wine sauce. The only thing left to do is enjoy by drizzling it on a dessert like ice cream, cheesecake, brownies. Why not? Throw it on a breakfast like pancakes, waffles, or crepes. Thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you like sauces and gravies, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the all notification bell to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce making tips and techniques. Thanks again for watching. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.